So for AS2 shared server, we have Go Anywhere. They're going to provide like a free trial. This is what I'm looking for. So actually used all my emails for registrations.
The ES2 is Amazon service, right?
No. ES2 is not Amazon service.
Or that is AWS, right?
No. Yeah, that is AWS. Yeah. So how that FTP is working, that AS2 shared server also like one of the file transfer for 20 years. Suppose so whatever like an EDI files we are retrieving like communication method FTP, the same way we can use like an AS2. Suppose connector we can select AS2 shared server. So here you should configure all your AS2. So here you should give like an AS2 from ID and AS2. So these are the required AS2 from ID and AS2 to ID from AS2 shared server. So this AS2 from ID is nothing but from where we are going to receive the data. And AS2 ID, so it's to like in which AS2 we are going to send it. So AS2 from ID and AS2 ID is required to get the files from the particular location. Okay. So here so remaining is only for like a signer certification, SSL, basic authentication for authenticating a like an AS2 shared server. So when we are going to put any file in that AS2 shared server, automatically it is going to listen. So it's going to listen. So that is where we are using like a start shape here. Okay, within start shape, it is going to listen whenever we have a file in that particular location. So here you can register. Let's see. You can use like a temp email. So you can use this one, my.goanywhere.com. So this is verify your email address. Your account is pending request will be notified through email when the spaces can be viewed. So they're not immediately activating. So the
Okay.
problem is the server. I think it will take some time to like they will send an email.
Okay. But this email, when you close this browser, this temporary email will go gone, right?
Yeah, it will go, but so yeah, exactly. And also, if you are like not clear your caches and the cookies, then automatically the same email will come and you're going to enter this here.
Oh,
Okay. When you clear your caches, then your new email address will be appeared. Otherwise, you can use the old one only. So just for temporary purpose. Why? Because so many times we are going to register. In that case, then it's going to expire. Then if you want to register with the same email, it will reject, right? So,
something they said, right?
yeah. So that is the case. We can use temporary email, but it will take some time, I think. So other than this, where is to share server? Go to and also like meanwhile. So we are going to get the file from like we are receiving like an XML file from in our local host disk and this connection create a operation file filter is start.xml. So here so we are going to use map and here we can use like trading partner. So we have two ways only. So whether like source is trading partner or whether it is target is only we have to use like two ways to
Usually, trading partner has a 3 connector, right?
No. One second. Sorry, what is it?
No. Trading partner has 3 connector, right?
Yeah, trading partner is a free connector. Yes.
No, 3 connector will come, right? Why? Accept, acknowledge, and error, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
But here you dropped the shape, right? But I don't see the 3 connector.
Yes, yes. It is like an outbound connector. So we are not going to send any acknowledgement.
Oh, how do you say that is outbound connector?
See, outbound connector is like, right? So whenever we are going to receive the file from a location, that is, we are going to use like start shape.
Okay.
We're going to receive the file.
Oh, when we select the option as a trading partner in a start mode, then it is called
yes,
inbound.
yes.
When you use this trading partner in somewhere in middle, then
it is like an outbound. Yeah.
Outbound.
So not only this, anything. If you want to send any file from outside from Bhumi, then you can use outbound connector. If you want to receive the file from location and into Bhumi, then you can use So here we can use my company trading partner. Now see here. So we are not able to see that EDI that Magestani. If you go here EDI mouse and the trading partner, you can use.
Now trading partner is a sender, right? Sorry, a receiver, right?
Yes, exactly. Trading partner is a receiver. So this is a sender now. It's not receiver. Now Kinemo is acting as a posting, acting as a
Sender.
sender. Yeah.
Then we have to change the ISA code.
Yeah. Let's see how it will work. So here I'm going to use like a disconnection, and here connector partner for getting the files, and here so we can reverse it. Okay. So we can choose XML 850 profile here. So most probably we can do like NetShoot to trading partner to NetShoot. So this is
not this one, right? My
yep.
Okay, in certification, so the Bhumi Essential and Associate Developer, those things, right?
Yeah.
So do I need to complete the session? Session mean like they will give a small task in between,
Yeah.
right?
Task. Yeah, task is not required if you are okay with that. Only thing is you have to complete videos.
Videos, right? Then for that is fine, right?
Yeah, you can skip it.
Okay. Okay.
You can complete. Once completed, it will be open. Your certification link will be open.
I have to start that because because what we did, right? FTP, this and that, they are slowly going.
Okay. And one more thing we have to discuss, like HTTP and SOAP, right? Yeah.
HTTP, yeah.
And if you have any more, so before that, first we should map. Let's see after this. So sometimes we should give like the CTT total line amount and total line count, right? We have to give reverse. One second. Go to revision history. You know, right? Revision history, how it is going to work.
No, okay.
You know, right?
No, I don't know.
No, you don't know. Suppose like so suppose we are developing this one, right? So actually we have modified existing process, right?
Okay.
So whenever like we are modified existing process, then what will happen if you want to revoke?
Okay.
You want to revert back to previous version, right? Then you can choose which version you want to go back. Okay. So you can select versions here like one by one. So which one is compatible? Like which one is working? Suppose like I'm working version number 36. So this is not correct. Okay. And go to here. 34, 30 yesterday, right? I think 31st.
Not 31st.
And it is also 31st. Yeah, this is the one, 30th, yesterday one. So this was worked yesterday. This is the latest one, I think. Now you want to, okay. So now you want to come back. Now you want to come back. Then what will happen? You have to save it.
Okay.
So once it is saved, it will the version number will be increased. Now it is latest one is 39. But now 38, this one. Whatever we are doing, this is the 38, version number 38.
Oh,
This is the one.
okay.
Okay. When we are going to save the previous one as a new one, then it will be new.
Okay.
Current version. It will save as a current version 39.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh.
So that is the way. So then it will go back.
Oh, this is good, right? Because we can see anything, right?
Yeah. Yeah, you can come back.
And it will save in same folder or how?
Yeah, it's saved in the same folder. It is saved in the same folder.
Can you go to folder Mahesh training?
So once you save, we can able to see here folder. I think. My guest time.
But same the file name is process name is same, right? Will it be okay?
Yes, no problem.
Can you show me here in this?
Yeah, okay. Then save it. Let's see. Once save it, if you see here, revision history, it is 39. Now it is old one, 38. Now if you see, it is compared. This video corresponds to revision 38 component, which is not latest version. Okay.
Saving this component will overwrite.
So go to your pro folder, then you can close it. Now again open it.
Oh, it's EDI, right? Under EDI.
Sorry, EDI. See here.
Oh, the old one gone, right? Not.
Yeah, the old one will gone, which is in 38.
Okay.
Then if you save it, then it will
This
come
will
first.
No. Okay, got it.
Then it will go back.
But we can copy anything from the old version, I guess. So something we want here.
No, we cannot. So we have to restore. We have to restore. After that, we have to copy to any other folder.
But we can see whatever changes we did and all. We can see and we can apply the new thing, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, super.
So without saving, also we can see.
Okay.
Like this, we can. So before that, if you want to go back again, 30, 30, 30th. Like this, you can like in many of the versions. Which one is best? Like. So and also this is also component, right? This is also component. Let me open. So this is also one of the component. Close it. So every component has its versions. So map component. So map component might be changed earlier. It is 850 to XML.
So whatever you did right now.
Yeah, right now we did 850 to XML. This one also we have to roll back. Suppose you can go here, and the earlier version is 31st. This is 20.
Yeah.
Like this.
Oh.
So now you can use this. You can save it.
If you save, I think already we revert back, right?
We reverted it. See, where is 815 bound? This is the one, latest one. No, so this is the old one. No, see, this is 852 PO. Okay. So we can change it. Pivot to XML. Just we are change it, right? This one. So why? Because we are picking the file and we are converting into EDI 850. So this is the one EDI 852 XML. So we are reversing. Now we can map it like in CTT.
Oh, now it will not override because
Yes. No, you can save it. Now, if we save it, then it will be override.
But over the since it is
Now,
name is changed, right? Anyway, we changed, right? POX.
No problem. So no, even I can change the name. It will going to be back.
Oh.
Okay. Suppose if you save this, then what will happen? It will go back.
Okay.
Previous version. It is now. It is a version is revision version is 5, right? Then whenever we are going to save this map, then what will happen? It will go back.
Okay.
So here, total line count to CT01, total quantity is CT02. Total line count CT01. Total quantity is CT02. And
N1 segment.
N1 segments. N1 N4. Ship to country, ship to state. 01 state, city, state, zip. N4, N1, N4.
Yeah. State, city, state, zip.
City, state, zip.
Zip, yeah.
The next one is
BEG value to
BEG03 pick ticket ID.
Pick ticket ID. Pick ticket somewhere down. Yeah. This you're not saved, right?
No. This is the latest one. Now let's remove existing on-premise work directory. Oh, we don't have a remote. Don't have the file. The text is deleted yesterday. One second. Let me look at work one. Otherwise, we can come back. Some file, dot file. Then what we can do is.
You have the file, right?
XML file we need required, right? Yesterday we converted XML file that was deleted. So we'll test it again. So this is the not latest one.
Or a component you change something.
Again, this one also have changed.
You change it, right?
Yeah, I change it now.
Since we changed this one, we cannot drive anything earlier, right? Previous
Yes, sir.
one.
Now this is better. First, please go back.
And maybe better we can create a new process, right, for this one.
Yeah. Yeah, now we received.
Now, how come it come actually?
Sorry, which one?
No, now it worked. How?
No, we changed this XML, right? Earlier we have an XML file. We changed it to 852 EDI, right? But earlier one is 852. This one we required. I changed this component.
Oh, you have copy of that one?
No, just version changing.
Okay. Oh, okay.
They restored like in previous version of this map.
Oh, okay. The component itself is changed. Okay.
No. Still it is, why it is not saving? Okay, got it. Oh, why it is not saving? We have to use. So every component, what are the components are available inside in welcome.c? These components we can revert back, but shapes are we cannot. Okay, shapes we don't have any configurations basically. So these components, whenever we are going to change any component, we can revert back. We have an option. Now we have a files. Okay. Now revert back this again. Revert back means just to have to close it, and this one also you have to revert back. Go to here and save it as a new version. Now go to still this component still showing like old one.
Okay.
Now we can reverse previous version. This is the now 850 ADI, save and close. Then now we close it and save it. Okay. Now again we need star.edi XML file, right? Then we can change one of the file as
We are expecting some error, right, Gopilia?
see.
BG1 mandatory element.
Yeah, some mandatory files should be there. BG1 invalid data mandatory field elements are missing. So now you should open your download document and Kenny Mouse 50 profile. So when you're going to send some of the Kenny Mouse 850 So transaction set BG0100 confirmation and original index, whatever it is. So BG01. So these envelopes are required sometimes. You can set some default value like this, okay, and
00.
so BG00 original. Just I'm sending. Okay. It will, if you have any mandatory fields, it will show one by one, not all at a time. Oh, BG02 also mandatory file.
But when we as a receiver, we don't see this issue, right?
Yeah, that is the reason. So when you're sending some of the headers, we have, so when we are receiving, so whatever headers are there, we are receiving that is mandatory, right? If it is headers are not there, then whatever an ISA version control, GS version controls, you should not match. The same way here also, when you are going to send outside, we have to send these values, BH0 to BH03. So these are some of the mandatory values. Like
I think not. Then
see here, when you are going to open this profile, so open EDI IV. So BH01. See here, option is mandatory. Okay.
Oh.
If you remove this option, you don't need to require.
Okay. Then everything will come, Gopi. There are a lot of mandatory.
I think lot of, I think.
Yeah.
No, I think only, yeah, see BH0.
I guess now this started with BG, right? I will go all the way.
Yeah, we should go all the way. ST01 also mandatory. ST in way, because these are a transaction setter.
Correct,
we should map it.
Yeah. There are many mandatory. See, mandatory.
So 143, 149, 850 purchase order. This is the one. Identify control number must be unique. ST01, you can remove this mandatory if it is. Yeah, I think if you have many mandatory files are there, then
many only copy, not small.
See here, I think we are able to communicate now, but we don't have any AS disk file. We go to disk. So this is the actual file we are sending.
Oh, okay. But now what we sent, we don't have the ISA control number, right?
Sorry,
in the disk we don't have ISA control number, right?
Yeah, we don't have ISA control. That is the reason we are going to send even we are giving giving an ISA verification or center verification. Even we can give it wrong, but it automatically it's taking. Why? Because they are not going to receive the file as a trading partner. Right? So trading partner is nothing but we are doing business entity, we are doing business with some entity. Means other side also they have some trading partner. So whenever we are going to send, we have to set our sender ID and receiver IDs.
Oh, that we already set in this one, right? The trading partner.
So their side they are going to Same way, whatever like we are setting, their side they're going to use the same ISA versions and GS versions.
As my company.
Yeah, my company. So then they're going to receive invalid file then in that case.
Okay.
But here disk file is not using any trading partner. Just we are placing the file. That is the reason it's not giving error. Okay. So when we are doing like really, if you are integrating with real trading partner outside of the business, then we have to set sender ID and receiver ID, actual sender and actual receiver.
But what already we set it something, right? Can you more? So this trading partner, we already have some setup.
Yeah,
right?
we are already setting. See here, but we are setting as a receiver. So can you mouse here? We are as a receiver, but here it's not a sender.
Correct.
You know, right? So we are sending communication methods not. So external standards. So here, ISA identification options. Now it is a sender, but we are mapped it as a receiver, 07 and 08.
But then this number will go automatically. Okay.
Yeah. So what will happen? So when we are sending the CDA 850, right? We are sending 850, and this is a sender. Sorry, this is a receiver. We are setting as a receiver this one, 07 and 08. Then automatically these values will be appended. So suppose we go here, they have to register like this as a sender and a receiver. So they have to map this. This is a sender. There and open one of the EDI file. Now let's whatever
work one.
Work one. I think okay, go. So they have to follow reverse. 9.5.
Not this is not a.
No. So okay. Let me run it again. We are sending reverse here. Okay.
Okay.
They are also like they're going to use our EDI 850 to let's see, open the EDI 850 file, then they will go EDI 850 file. So we are sending.
Yeah. Right. Let me see. Yeah, it vice versa.
The vice versa.
Yeah.
Now they treat it as if they're going to treat it as a like this is a yesterday we treated right the same way they can treat it as otherwise they will not going to receive this file. Let's assume yesterday we receiving the file from trading partner, right?
Correct.
Correct. That time we are like identify which one is like a receiver, which one is a sender.
Sender, yeah. Actually, first one is receive. First one is
yeah.
receiver.
So we have to change here. Yeah, we have to change. Okay. As of now, we don't have any issues. We can send it, but the problem is whenever they're going to receive, they have some problems.
So Gopi, this value automatically take it from the configuration we configured.
Yes,
right?
configurations. Yes, exactly, configuration.
Because in disk file there is no ISA SD segment. Only the ST only we have, but it is okay. Exactly. It is configuring based on our configuration. Okay.
Yes, exactly. Okay. Now see, it's come to like 7 and 8. Sorry, 7 and 8, right?
Yeah, correct, yeah.
7 and 8. Yeah. Accordingly, they have to map. Otherwise, they will not going to receive this file.
Yeah.
If they're going to call this, if they're going to call like use this specification document, then they will not going to.
But anyway, in real time, outbound has a different different component, right? Most maybe we may create a different one.
Yeah.
So for sender thing, we are going to give the inputs to them. This is what we are going to send and all, or they will tell us what is the.
Yeah, they will tell us. They will tell us like you can use this sender ID. You can use it. So how we are receiving, they are mentioning the same way. When we are going to sending outside, so they're going to mentioning. So you can use this sender ID. This is use receiver ID in a trading partner. Okay. So otherwise, what will happen? They're going to use the trading partner their end to receive this file, whatever like we are sending. It will give like an ambiguity.
Yeah.
So whatever like we are sending, we are setting here sending and receiver ID. Based on that, they are going to configure their end. Then only they are going to receive the same file.
Okay.
Why? Because it is a B2B exchange, right? A business to business.
Mm.
We are also using some trading partner. They are also using some trading partner. We are sending. They are going to receive. We are going to receive. They are going to send it. So earlier, like we are yesterday, we received the same file, right? And we received the same file from FTP location means some B2B partner going to be placed the same file.
Correct. Yeah. Correct.
Yeah. So in that case, that receiver sender should be follow same.
Okay.
Here actually we can interchange.
Yeah. Correct. Yeah. We have to understand, but since it is okay.
Yeah, in real time we have to change. So the same thing, like other than this, nothing like an EDI. Only you have to understand the spec, and I have to understand this specification. You have to follow trading. Only you have to take care this ISA GS version control.
Yeah.
So remaining is common. Only thing you have to choose your document. You have to map it. Specification documents. Only you have to take care this trading partner. Other than this, you have to follow other only. The remaining is like other integration shapes you have to use.
Okay. Only the trading partner profile setup is slightly challenging. That we understand the EDI file. I think it will be easy.
Yes. Yeah. Exactly.
Okay, I got it.
So other than so you have one EDI. The same EDI sample will be there in your course also.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So
Maybe after this, essentially, I can try with the EDI trading partner also.
and also you have to use Go Anywhere. I think you will receive tomorrow.
Oh, okay.
Same like FTP, how you are receiving, the AST also we have to use instead of FTP and disk. Okay. So coming to like an HTTP communications, right? So
Okay,
why? Because we are going to use like an HTTP also in our trading partner. Let's open.
Gopi, can we see next day, because I have 10 o'clock meeting.
Yeah. Okay. No problem. Yeah.
I have to do something for that.
Yeah. Sure. We'll connect.
Sorry, Gopi, today I think.
Yeah. No problem. Yeah. We will discuss HTTP also separate class, and after that we'll. Okay.
Sure. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Then. Thank you.